Well, it's definitely been a long time since I've done a video, so I figured it was time for one. Had a little time today. So here's my little project, my 212cc Predator engine with governor removal, upgraded carb. I am running half premium, half 110, high comp flat top piston, longer push rod, stock cam, stock rod. I made the exhaust. That's just a silencer on the back, just to quiet it up. Aluminum flywheel, cause I did have the stock one come apart on me at 46 miles an hour. Other than that, that wasn't too bad. I got a new rear tire on the way for it. Just a quick little guard for my ankle. It's been a fast, fun little bike so far. Top speed was 46 when the flywheel let loose. I just got it back together this morning. I'm going to take it out here in a little bit. Just went and got some fresh fuel for it. Just mix that up. I do have RPM gauge, an hour meter. It is actually fairly accurate. I was kind of surprised. A little GoPro mount there. But yeah, other than that, haven't done much more to it. I am looking into a bigger cam for it, just for a little more opening on the valves, but as of right now, I'm pretty happy with the come out of it. Let's see if she'll fire up the first time or not. Ooh. She's definitely cold-blooded. Yeah, other than that, she's been pretty fun. Have to get that new rear tire on there, and also I'm swapping the front too, but we'll see what it does then. But all in all, it's been a decent little bike. It's been fairly quick. Since I put the meter on, only 0.7 of an hour so far. Not bad. Been a fun little bike. I'll definitely have more videos on this one coming up, and hopefully we can get some videos of a couple races with this thing, hopefully in the near future.